Hello everybody and welcome to Blog Pt2, where today we're taking another look at my text-based environment game that I've been working on for quite a while now, like a good few months. So a lot of things have changed since the last time I did a video, which was part 1, go check it out if you haven't already, where basically I'm just going to explain it as we go. So to start with, there's now a full tutorial, which I'll go back to later, but for now let's just go straight into the main menu. The first thing we've added is the settings menu, where it isn't fully fleshed out, but one of the main things we have volume, which can be set using a slider all the way up to 100% and be set to 0. Now, right now I'm not capturing audio because a lot of it is very rough and unfinished, and some of the placeholder stuff, like I've just got music playing from my music folder, so it's copyrighted, won't be shipped. I'm going to work on my own stuff for that, obviously. But so yeah, I can't play it or record the sound because I'm pretty sure some of it's copyrighted. But preliminarily, like I've got a beat playing right now and I've changing the volume, so it's nothing particularly special, but the framework is all in place. Now, if we go back into the game, I'm going to load a new game and just give a name Harry, my name, and the boy. And now if you say go south, oh no, you go look around, it now gives you a brief thing saying there's a lush area surrounded with trees and some openings, there are no stores, and there appears to be openings to the south. So if we type go south. Now here's the fight menu that I've sort of redone. I've added in the item and flee section. So the item and the flee don't work yet. Well, the check's there, but the actual context menu and everything is not. But if you type fight, you now get a better sort of UI for selecting, so you can go punch, which hits, and the health and stamina bar decrease. Then if you type fight again, you can do kick, which should deal more damage. Hey, it hit. An enemy defeated. We've now got this screen for loot, and last time I did this, I'm not sure if I had the loot screen in, but for ages, you got gold, but you didn't have the option to loot it. So now if you type in gold, it takes the gold, reprints, and then basic, take the pole arm, which is a new weapon. So now if I look around, we're now in a different area. This is a wide open area. There are no stores, and there appears to be openings from the north and the east. But we came from the north, so we're going to go east. You've arrived in green fields. And again, if you just look around, this is a very similar placeholder area, and we're going to go north this time. We arrive in shambles. Now if we look around, because this is a nice little town, we've got a store called Spikers and one called Charizard Inn. All placeholder names. It's just stuff that I've added in so I could test. So if we enter Spikers, we're now in the store. So let's do shop. So here we can choose to buy or sell. So let's sell this pole arm. We'll just type basic pole arm in. And would I take 4 gold? Yes, I will. And sold. So now I have 9 gold, my inventory's empty, and now just type leave, and then back. Well, there's a bug that I've got to fix. That shouldn't have happened, so just leave. Let's get out of there. But now if we go enter Charizard Inn, which is the other one. This is the inn where you can stay and note. And you've got the option for a normal or a deluxe room. Currently they both do the same, but the deluxe will have the option, it will give you a slight bonus damage and health regen, which is what I want to incorporate. Not done yet. Also, staying for a night progresses the in-game timer by 1 day, currently. Which, the in-game timer is fully implemented and is able to be accessed from any of the functions, but right now nothing really displays it, so the actual game, it doesn't really impact as a game mechanic yet. So now let's go east. Now this is the portal. Now right now you have no reason to do this, but if you type enter, type look around, there's weird energy, and because it's like a store, if you go enter weird energy, and then if you do interact with it, this is the first quest. So upon doing this, you get the new quest, which is called Why Not Touch, and you basically end up in a room. Now here is where the game starts, like, it's not as polished or set up properly yet. If you type in inv, get your inventory. There we go. And if you type quests, get the quest. And there you go, that's where we've got to so far. Right now there isn't really much more, but behind the scenes the program is now, if we have a look in here, nope, wrong one, disk C, desktop, RPG. You go to the bin, the debug. The debug exe is now 10 megs, opposed from the last time I did this, it was 20 kilobytes. And as you can see here, it's got a proper little symbol, and there are some basic sounds incorporated in the exe. So yeah, I want to thank you guys so very much for watching. If you've got any comments, obviously leave those in the comment section. If you've got any feedback or ideas that you'd like to introduce as well, feel free to... I can't type pause now. Pause and then comment. If you've got any other stuff you want to tell me or ask me, leave that in the comments. And yeah, hit that thumbs up. If you enjoyed, hit that dislike. If you didn't like it, tell me why in the comments. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Adios.